Welcome back to my channel. Now, most of us have created YouTube channels already, and we are ready to start working on monetization part of it. Some of us have started uploading contents, especially videos. We have uploaded videos, but there is another problem that you need to do is to optimize some settings in your YouTube channel so that you can be able to get more views. Out of those views, you are going to get subscribers. Now, to monetize your YouTube channel, you need to have 4,000 watch hours, and you also need to have 1,000 subscribers. And that is a very long way to go. So what you need to do now is you start working on your YouTube channel now. When you plant something like a coconut, you don't expect it to grow right now. No. You have to wait for a certain period of time, maybe 3 or 5 years. After that, you will see that the coconut is growing and it will eventually bear fruits. That is exactly what happens to our YouTube channel. That is what is going to happen to our YouTube channel. So if you are not receiving views from the online viewers, do not worry. No can worry, Lodista. If you are not receiving subscribers, if there is no one subscribing to your account, don't worry about that. You keep on posting. You keep on uploading your YouTube videos, contents. Upload them. When you keep on uploading videos, you will realize that from time to time, your method of uploading videos keep on changing. The structure of your videos keep on changing and improving. The strategies that you are using, the topics that you talk about will keep on changing, or the kind of contents that you are uploading will keep on receiving views, and you will keep on receiving subscribers. So that is why I said earlier that you must continue to upload. Maybe you can upload 1 or 2 videos in a week. Then in the next week, you increase the number of videos up to, say, 3 or 4 times, okay, in a week. In that way, you are going to have your viewers following you. When the viewers follow you, they will start to subscribe. When you don't have any subscriber at all, when you don't have any subscriber, or if you don't have any views at all, you share your contents. Copy the address of your content and start sharing it in Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok, Telegram, Instagram, all these platforms. Share your contents in there. There are people, interested people, who will be looking at your content, the title of your content, and from there they will follow you, and now you are going to receive views, subscribers. Now, there are different kinds of people. There are 3 or 4 different categories of people who go online to receive information from online, specifically on YouTube. The first type of people are just explorers. Explorers are people who just go in there to see the different places, see new people, or learn about new ideas. These are explorers and learners. You try to target those learners and explorers. The second type of people are the people that look for entertainment. They just go in there to entertain themselves. They look for video clips, music videos, comedies, movies. So these are type of people, this is a second type of people, The third type of people are people that look for business ideas. In Papua New Guinea, the 2 main groups of people who are online on YouTube and seeking for information are these 2 groups. People who look for business ideas and people who look for entertainment, movies, video clips. That's for Papua New Guineans. Now, other parts of the countries, they are the explorers. Some of them, they go in the YouTube channel to seek for new ideas, new skills, or look at how canoe is made, crafts are made. You try to target some of those people so that you will identify your needs, identify your audience from those groups of people. All right. Now, one of my YouTube channels, I started uploading some videos in there, and I came across some things that have inspired me, so that is why I came out to do this video. When I changed some settings in one of my content, I received a good number of views within a short period of time. I uploaded the video 3 days ago, and after uploading the video, I was looking at how viewers are going to come and view it. How many viewers are coming in? How many people are subscribing from this content? And after 3 days, I realized that no, there's something wrong. I only got 36 views. So I made some changes to the settings. From the changes that I made in the settings, I saw some results there. That is why I would like to show you this. This is to do with contents and how to receive more views from the subscribers as well as from the new visitors that are coming in. So I'll play the video. You have a look at it and listen to it. Okay, I decided to record this one so that I can show you what happened. Just after I did some settings, I made some changes to my settings and this particular content here. I was trying out things, different settings in the YouTube studio, and I made some changes to this particular video and it got 177 views. You know, it's not really many views, but from what I heard, it was around 36 views when I saw it at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the morning today. And at 3 p.m., around 3 p.m., I made these changes to this particular video. And at 11 o'clock, I was surprised to see that the number of views increased. So let me just show you how it happened. It increased from 36 up to 177. Now I'll just go through the YouTube studio and show you where these viewers are coming from. My YouTube studio is right here. Okay, we'll just move down. Now you see, right at the bottom, right here we have 226. So we have 226 viewers from the dashboard, from the YouTube studio. YouTube studio presents or gives you the live analytics of your contents. So you see here we have 226 updated live. So let's see where these viewers are coming from. Are they coming from external sources? Okay, let's go in here. Okay, it was around in these 3 days when I first uploaded it. Within these 3 days, my viewers were just below 80. Alright, and after I made these changes this afternoon at 3 p.m., the graph went up. You see, watch time also went up. Number of viewers, it has gone up by 1. Okay, let's go down and see. Okay, here it says YouTube recommendations. Now, maybe because YouTube has recommended this video after I made the changes to the settings in my account, in the channel. So this is real time. So you can see within 48 hours, it was around just zero. And after I made the changes, it went up, you see. Now you can see that most of the viewers are coming from browse features. Because YouTube has recommended this video, the viewers are now browsing these titles. Okay, now it is also categorized as a suggested videos in YouTube. Now for external, even though I said this video in external sources like Facebook and WhatsApp, we still had only 3. Okay. Now, In my next video, I will be showing you this. Just after this video, after uploading this video, I will be showing you in my next video how to make these changes. So when you start making these changes, you will see some difference in the number of viewers as well as number of subscribers. From there you will improve and keep on increasing your number of viewers and number of subscribers. Eventually after 6 or 10 months, you should be able to be eligible for monetization. Okay, so continue to follow up, subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet. You have to subscribe so that you follow up on what I am presenting. I will be presenting the settings that you need to adjust or optimize in order for you to receive more views. There is something that you need to have, and that is to do with YouTube Studio. If you don't have YouTube Studio, you go and download it in the Play Store. But I'll later show you how to get the proper YouTube Studio from your YouTube application. And there's another thing, you need to have a laptop and a camera. If you don't have a laptop, this phone will still do. This kind of phone will still do. I am still using this phone. It's a very useful device and I am making money out of it. So this phone is important. A touchscreen phone is important. You must have one. All right. With this, thank you very much. Keep following. Stay blessed. Thank you.